Ladies and gentlemen, the future of toilets has arrived. Introducing VOVO USA. We are a South Korea-based smart toilets manufacturing company. Technological advancement has evolved our way of life. People have shifted from 2G or wired phones to smartphones. In the past, we used conventional toilets. Now is the time to use smart toilets. We are dedicated to improving the quality of life for future generations by developing eco-friendly products. To achieve this goal, we have developed eco-friendly bathroom wear, VOVO Stylement, in an attempt to bring hope to modern life. Our smart toilets wash your butt automatically, thus protecting the earth by saving toilet paper. The best part is, you can enjoy the premium bidet seat with free shipping on all domestic orders. So, what are you waiting for? Turn your bathroom into a luxury spa with auto open, auto close, and auto flush system. For more information, visit our website https://vovousa.com.